Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the Winter Frost Week 4 quest about the vision with memory. Take a photo of a frostspore fish. And to complete this quest, this one, it's very simple. First, just input your frostspore fish that you have to the aquarium that you have like this, and then after you already input the fish like this, just tap your camera icon on your screen, this one, just tap on it and then just adjust the look, adjust your camera like this, and then just simply tap capture like this, and your quest will be complete like this, and you can claim the rewards like this. As you can see, the quest will be complete like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.